Hello, friends. Welcome back to Quiz Conflux. Today, we're playing Guess the City by its river. A famous river will appear on the screen. Can you guess which city it flows through? Let's see how many you can get right. Your challenge starts now.
The Mississippi River flows through which city? Right answer, New Orleans, Louisiana, U.S. The Thames River flows through which city? The Thames River flows to London, England. The Seine River flows through which city? The Seine River flows through Paris. The Danube River flows through which city? The Danube River flows through Vienna.
The Tiber River flows through which city? The Tiber River flows through Rome. The Potomac River flows through which city? The Potomac River flows through Washington, D.C. The Tigris River flows through which city? The Tigris River flows through Baghdad. The Rhine River flows through which city? The Rhine River flows through Cologne, Germany. The Saigon River flows through which city? The Saigon River flows through Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. The Rio Grande flows past which city? The Rio Grande flows past El Paso, Texas, USA. The Nile River flows past which city? The Nile River flows past Cairo, Egypt. The St. Lawrence River flows past which city? The St. Lawrence River flows past Montreal, Canada. The River Liffey flows through which city? The River Liffey flows through Dublin, Ireland. The Firth of Forth estuary flows past which city? The Firth of Forth estuary flows past Edinburgh, Scotland. The Pearl River estuary flows past which city? The Pearl River estuary flows past Hong Kong and China. The Swan River flows through which city? The Swan River flows through Perth, Australia. The Tagus River flows past which city? The Tagus River flows past Lisbon, Portugal. The Indus River flows past which city? The Indus River flows past Karachi, Pakistan. The Yangtze River flows through which city? The Yangtze River flows through Shanghai, China. The Elbe River flows through which city? The Elbe River flows through Hamburg, Germany. The Rio de la Plata estuary flows past which city? The Rio de la Plata estuary flows past Buenos Aires, Argentina.